Hi, I'm Michele Botton. I'm product manager for Blizzard skis, and I'm really proud to present the new freeride women line. We have here the new Sheeva, 104mm in the waist. The freeride women line in Blizzard is really well known. For example, the Black Pearl skis is the ski #1 sold in the United States. But we decided to renew completely the construction. Basically, in the old skis, we took the experience from our freeride line with the flip core construction and the experience we did with the touring skis with the carbon drive construction. We mixed together these two technology and we designed the carbon flip core woman-specific design. So this is a construction with a carbon frame inside who guarantees the stability in the flex, but also in the torsion. And in this way we can have a ski that is almost 50 to 20% lighter than the previous skis, but keeping exactly the same performance and exactly the same stability. The Sheeva arrives on the market, also here depends from country to country, but in a range between 450 to 500 euro in a flat version.